Testing, testing. Are we live? All right, everybody. Looks like we are live. Oops, I think my mic might be a bit overdriving. Anyway, sorry, I've had so many mic problems lately. It's just getting out of control. So yeah, let's get into it though. Disclaimer: everything in this video is for general information and educational purposes only. Nothing presented constitutes financial product advice, personal advice, or recommendation to acquire or deal in any financial products. Any examples are illustrative only and should not be relied upon as indicators of future performance, as past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Okay, now we've got that out of the way. Looks like you can see my screen okay. So I might just shut that down. And let's get into it. Oops, I should have done that. All right. So the 12-hour chart. Yeah, let's get into it. Put that up there. All right. Cool. All right. So basically, as you can see, we got the cross. We got the cross in there. Looks like it may have untriggered and triggered again. So this is a 12-hour chart, double smooth stochastic Blau method. If you want to play along at home, this one, not the Brexit Blau, is the one I use on the 12-hour. You can see we got the cross here. We also had the crosses on the other indicators on the cipher. So yeah, I've posted this in my channel, this chart layout. So if you're looking for this, all the indicators and the chart layout is all in my channel. So have a look there for that in Discord in the pinned posts. Anyway, you can see once we put in this the TD9 down here, that was a really good sign, bouncing off the 365 day, which has been very reliable as a bottom indicator. You can see down here. Geez, I probably need to delete a few of these things, and also yeah, down here as well. It's been really good. So it was all lining up to be a good position to go long there. It was just whether or not the US was going to give us some good news. Seems like that good news has happened now, and so we look like we've almost got a bit of a inverse head and shoulders there with the return to the developing yearly, and we've pushed on out of there. So that's really good. So I'm really happy I had my positions in there. Got a bit messy through here. I ended up needing to reduce a bit of my position there, but everything's all good now. So I reloaded back up again, and yeah, we're all good. Anyway, so that's good. That's all looking really positive. So I'm expecting this to get back up to the top of the double smooth stochastic now. So I think we could actually go maybe even up here. Maybe we'll get to the value area high of the 365 day, or maybe the yearly, developing yearly. Who knows here? We might get a little pullback on the lower time frames and keep moving on. But this is a good sign if we can keep pushing out of here. On the four-way chart here, you can see the daily had lots of these sort of pin bars on the daily, which, yeah, this sort of on the 12-hour reversal pattern there. 4-hour chart looks pretty good as well. Yeah, really nice double bottom there. So that was really good. I was concerned we were going to sweep this at the time. So yeah, I had to. Once we got up here and started moving down and then started coming down again, I was a bit concerned we were just going to do one of these ones and then go. And that would, yeah, not be so good for my portfolio. But anyway, that's all in the past now, so that's all good. On the 1-hour chart, why can't I move that? Get out of there. So we did have a big pin bar there just in the last hour, but we seem to be recovering from that, and we're going to ride the 30-day. So yeah, that's looking pretty good at the moment. So depending on what happens here, but I think we might see a bit of upside, bit of strength coming back into the market with this this close, and I think. Oh, I didn't go back and check the CME gaps, but we probably did close that there actually. Anyway, that might be one for you guys to go and have a look at. Check in the chat, see what people are saying, if we think that's being closed or not. Onto Ethereum. Yeah, it held up pretty good over the weekend, which is good news. So yeah, it's been quite strong. So hopefully this doesn't turn into just a flag for further down, and we're able to move up. And yeah, at the moment, a little bit of a swing fail there of the 200-day. So we'll just have to see if this keeps above the 30-day. You can see here the 18-day rolling VWAP has been good support and resistance there. So make sure you have that set up on Ethereum. So yeah, that's about it at the moment. So there is a CME gap here on Ethereum, but yeah, it's a lot less reliable than the one for Bitcoin. Lower time frames. Oh, I don't think there's really anything to see here. Hopefully we stay above the 30-day. 30-day provided some pretty good support back here. And sort of chopped through it a few times there, provided good support there. So might be one to watch. If we can hold above this, maybe we can just have a bit of a reload here and keep going. Anyway, let's move on to Solana. So Solana's been pretty good to trade actually. It's been giving away a few signs of weakness at the right points, but basically it also loves a bit of the 18-day rolling. I've got too many things on my chart here at the moment, so it's making it a bit messy. Just hold on, get rid of that one. And I'll get rid of the profile as well. It's making it a bit messy. Yeah. So we've pushed up into the developing monthly, and we pushed through the 18-day. Did a bit of a retest of the 18-day, which is pretty good, and the 7-day. So it was quite nice. So yeah, confidence building as we go here, and so let's hopefully see if we can get a push out of here at some point. Keep a bit of continuation. On the what's his daily chart? That's pretty ugly. We'll just skip over that one for now. There's not a lot to talk about. So we're all pretty positive. If we go to the cipher scalping, hasn't been too bad. There's a few false entries here. So I did actually try and get in here and got stopped out because I was hoping for a bit of a hold, but should have been a bit more patient because it hadn't really done what it needed to do there. You can see this one here also was a pretty good entry, but then it sort of just rolled back over. Once the EMAs did their thing. Anyway, yeah, ETH. I put a couple of trades on ETH. It wasn't so bad. I did actually get one in here, so that was pretty good. But once again, a couple of false starts to it. But you can see here the divergence on that one. Oops, I'll try and go in. Oh, mouse isn't working properly. You can see here we had the divergence there as well. So I do actually have a look for these divergences. If we get the trigger early, and it's not really, we don't get like, see, we only got the one drive there, two drives there. So this was probably looking a bit early. So this third one, but then all the EMAs are actually divergent there. So, oh, sorry, the cipher's divergent there. So it's a pretty good entry. If you didn't get in too tight, you would have been able to survive that down. But also, you know, when you get this sort of action like this, massive liquidation there as well. You could definitely put on the profile tool and see if we got a trap in there. So if we go back here, you can probably see that there was a bit of a trap that happened there. Where's my profile gone? Something's wrong with this. So yeah, anyway, I would have thought that there was, you know, a V-shaped profile in there, probably down here, and you'd probably get an entry there if you are awake at that time. But anyway, can't always be awake all the time trading. And so yeah, everything's looking good at the moment. Not a lot to do here. You can see we had a bit of a swing fail on the top here. Yeah, it's not looking that great, to be honest. But at the moment, with this sort of strength, yeah, I wouldn't worry about that too much at this stage. It just depends if we close under here somewhere, then yeah, we might start to think about what that means for us. Solana, similar sort of thing. We've basically had this swing, and it's come back down. But yeah, nothing really to do here. I'll be looking for this. I want this to sort of come back down and maybe come back and tag this 18-day and get all of our ciphers to reset. I'll be looking for trades then. So at the moment, just holding positions until something happens. Sui made a good trade on Sui on the weekend. I'll put this here just to give you an idea of the 7-day rolling, how consistent that has been for Sui. I sort of stopped trading Sui with this style for a while because I was getting some pretty shit results, to be honest. So, had a good trade on the weekend, and the reason that I took this, even though I was thinking everything was pretty shit, was that just because of this 7-day rolling. So you can see on the 7-day rolling, it has been very consistent from this. And then once I got the trigger down here, and it was tagged the 7-day rolling, I thought that was worthwhile to put on a trade, and it was a 10R move. So there we go. I've taken some out here, but the way this is going, I might leave a bit on and just see what happens. And that's about it. And yeah, that's it for today. So yeah, basically looking for these to reset. If they don't, yeah, maybe need to look at doing some momentum trades on the lower time frames. Just try and find some of these ones that are bottoming or just going to grind up on the 5 and on the lower time frames. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for your time. I'm going to end this now, and yeah, happy trading.